Why are there not more people talking about this? Prophet Walter Magaya's financial troubles just got a whole lot worse. The High Court of Zimbabwe has ruled that Prophet Walter Magaya's Heart Stadium and Yada Hotel can be sold to settle a debt of over $420,000 owed to GetBucks Microfinance Bank Limited. This ruling, handed down on October 9th, 2024, authorizes the sale and transfer of Magaya's 3.2323 hectare property. The decision follows the default of Magaya, his company Planet Africa Private Limited, and Tendai Magaya, who are also required to cover legal costs and additional commissions. This marks a significant setback for Magaya, whose reputation and business ventures are now under intense scrutiny. Adding to his woes, Magaya is under investigation by the Zimbabwe Gender Commission for alleged sexual abuse and faces multiple fraud allegations. The potential loss of his stadium and hotel could have far-reaching implications for his ministry and business empire. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.